welcome back to the class. In previous chapter, I have taught you about the same chapter, right? The tiny teacher. Tiny teacher means we were talking about the ant, right? So that video was the first part, and this is the second part of that video in which I am going to complete this chapter. So what we have learned that there are soldiers and there are workers, and also there are queen ants who just lay eggs, and every ant have their own rooms so that they never fight with each other, right? They do their work properly. They greet each other while going the opposite direction. Whenever they meet, they, with the help of their antenna, they greet each other, right? So the queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony, okay? Even the soldier or whomsoever is there, the queen is only the responsible person, means the tiny teacher. The queen is the only one who is the mother of the entire colony, and it lives about for 15 years. Okay, how many years? 15 years. And it has a pair of wings also. Wings, so you know na, punk. So the queen ant also has a pair of wings, but bites them off after its wedding flight. Okay, and the flight takes place on a hot summer day. During the summer day, it bites them. Bites them means cut. ठीक है, उसको पूरा काट के वो she remove it during the summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet male ant or drone. We call it drone or male ant, and high up in the air. So what happens after that? It meets the male ant, and on its turn to earth, it gets rid of its wings also. Okay, and then does nothing but lay eggs. Okay, so after that it just lays egg. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. The larva of the जिसमें ant produce होते हैं, so that that larva only the grubs come out, and the soldiers guard them. Every time the soldier ants, they guard them. Workers feed them and clean them also. ठीक है, whatever dirt will be around them, they clean also, and they bring the food and something for the work grubs also, and also carry them about for daily airing. Means they take them out of their ant hill, and after they will show the sunshine, little bit sunshine, and for the air, then they take and for some exercise also, and then again they bring them back. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoon and lie without food or activity. They become the cocoon, and what they do, they cannot eat now, as you have seen the butterfly also. Before it was the earthworm, then after that it forms in cocoon and उसमें रहते हैं. They cannot eat the food. In the same way it happens with them. So they live in the cocoon without food and activity for 3 weeks more. Okay, 3 weeks. Then the cocoons break and the perfect ants appear. Okay, once the cocoon will break, who comes out? The perfect ant which we see, right? Now it's time for teaching and training. Once they come out, the new ants learn their duties from the old ants. जो old ants होते, they learn their duty from the workers, from the soldiers, from the builders, from the cleaners, and etc. And after few weeks the training, the small ants are ready to go out in the big world, okay, to work. An ant hill is a home not only for the ants but also for some other creatures. Okay, it is also the home of other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and green fly. Okay, they also live in that. So why do ants want these alien creatures? Because they are alien for them, because they build house, and these green fly and everything, they live here in that. So why do they live in their ants? Because for several reasons. Because some give off smell, pleasant smell to the ant. उनकी जो presence होती है, the smell, the ants like it. Okay, so and others give sweet juices, and some are just pets, and also play things like cats and dogs to human beings. So the green fly is the ant's cow. Okay, जो green fly है वो क्या है? It's the ant's cow. Like we get the milk from the cow, so in the same way they also get the food with the green fly. And the ants train it to give honeydew like milk. Honeydew like milk उसको train करते हैं, so that green fly जो है उनको क्या देता है? एक milk देता है, honeydew milk जिसको बोलते हैं, without a touch of their antenna. अपने एंटीनास को बिना उसमें टच किए दे दे, and they milk it just as milk the cow. It will same be like the milk of the cow, जैसे आपने देखा होगा. Okay, and have humans learned as much as ants have? जितना ants ने सीखा है क्या हमने सीखा है? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. Okay, some of them use it in a bad things, because now see, I have taught you many things ki ants, they never fight, they never disturb any other person. Okay, they do just their own work and they never interfere in others' life. But what we do, what humans do, sometimes they interfere in others' life, sometimes they fight with others, right? So they may still learn few things from this tiny creature. We may learn the small little things from this ant, and we can also learn the hard work, the sense of duty, the discipline, the cleanliness, and the care for the young ones. How the worker ant take care of the ants. They take them out of the hills for the ant hill, so that they can see they can show them the sunshine, है ना, and for some air also. Again they bring them back, they clean their area, they give them food. Okay, so we should also learn all these things, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. They are very loyal to their place where they live. Okay, so we should also learn all these small little things from these tiny creatures, students. So it was a lovely and wonderful information which we got about the ant. Kindly go through the chapter. I will see you in next video. Thank you.